Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. I'm so happy to introduce new items for this month. In this video, I will show all new metal dies. First item is this Z-Fold card frame set. This is the sample we have made. It's turned out very cute, right? All the decorations on this card are also included in this set. I think this Z-Fold card also can be table card. This one is Halloween topic, so adorable with dots edges and lovely small decorations. This one is for Christmas with the snow house, very fanciful. Another Halloween card. Next is Christmas house metal die. It turned out also lovely and Christmas style. So cute with the light, tiny door and windows and cheese and gingerbread. This one we made it on a pop-up base. It's very interesting. And this one I showed just now on Z-Fold card, and this one on a normal card. It's also very cute. Next metal die set is for mechanical card. Wow, it turned out amazing and lots of fun. This card with cute Christmas stuffs. So nice for Christmas greetings. This card is also Christmas theme and also very beautiful. The text can stick photos. This card also can be a 4 pages album card. This is a blank card. We can see the mechanical. This pop-up mechanical is very easy to make. Let's see the next one. This is a pocket album die set. How cute the album we can see with lovely decoration layer. That's the inside. It's a memo tag. It's very cute. And here are pockets. The corners can hold tags. And this steam tag is very cute. Also, this one is another kind of pocket. It's small, but it seems can contain many things, right? This cute album can put into the pocket. This is another sample we have made with the tags. Also the pocket with sweetheart is very adorable. And for in the pages, we can use it for memo notes. The third sample is sweet pink. I think it is a very nice gift for a girlfriend. It will be sweet memories if with the photos. Okay, let's move on. The next metal dies is which cauldron for gift package. The size of cauldron is about 7 by 6 cm. It will be very nice for Halloween candy hold or for festival decoration. Okay, let's go for next. It's ratios with florals. It turned out so pretty. This one we made is about 12 tall. It's perfect size for a normal card. Here's a card we have made just with the floral ratio and a sentiment tag. The card is already stunning. We also can combine the ratio with other flowers. It turns out same beautiful. Next, it is also a flower metal die set. They are brushed with flowers, leaf, butterflies, feathers. See what turned out is brilliant. The brush is about 10 cm length. I love this set so much. It will make our cards cheerful and so sweet. Any combinations are so amazing. Let's try on card base. Very nice size and very beautiful. Well, let's go ahead. It is another pretty flower die set. They can make big size flowers. The single flower can be about 7.5 cm. Very beautiful flowers. They say they own the card. It's so pretty. I have to say, many florals in today's video. This is florals and books. Okay, let's move on. This is for Halloween. A very cute Halloween doll. For this card base we used is this spiderweb frame die. This square frame is very nice for any kinds of Halloween cards. Next set is also for Halloween. Very cute stuffs. The candies, carrots, blooms, spiderweb. Used them on safe fold. And as decoration for this pot will be very interesting for Halloween gift. Okay, let's continue. This is the sentiment for Halloween. Halloween party, spooky, boom, irk, bloody. The singlet is about 2 cm tall. Next is a sweetie item, candy jar. It is usually for chic card making. With the candies and the cookies and sweetheart is very nice. Okay, here come Christmas small stuffs. Candy, stars, hats, snowman, and Christmas flower, leaves, and peas. Can make kinds of lovely combinations. Okay, here are the tags die cut. Love you. Congratulations. Celebrate. Hooray! Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday too. Any colors are all very beautiful. The size for tag is about 3.5 inch. The flagship is very adorable. Okay, here are all the news today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.